Hi, I'd like to introduce a cool new weather forecasting app for Android and iOS devices. This has been developed from the latest high-end research in the field, carried out by Assistant Professor Dr. Chinawat Saraswati and published in several well-known international journals. Assistant Professor Dr. Chinawat Saraswati is the director of ESAND, which is the Interdisciplinary Graduate School of Earth Systems Science and Andaman Natural Disaster Management at Prince of Songkla University, Phuket Campus, Thailand. Assistant Professor Dr. Chinawat Saraswati has won several research awards, including the 2013 Outstanding Research Award in the field of engineering and industrial research from the National Research Council of Thailand, the 2012 Thailand Young Technologist Award from the Foundation for the Promotion of Science and Technology under the patronage of His Majesty the King, the 2013 Outstanding Young Lecturer Award, and the 2012 Outstanding Personnel Award from Prince of Songkla University, as well as several other awards. The new application is called WMApp, which provides accurate weather forecasts 24 to 28 hours in advance covering Thailand and Southeast Asia. Its important difference from other weather forecasts is that WMApp provides detailed weather forecasts for individual administrative divisions and can specify area, location, date and time the rain will fall, rain intensity and amount, and provides forecasted temperature, humidity and wind speed and direction. WMApp also provides accurate rain and snow data globally and earthquake reports. WMApp is free for life. Installation is easy. Simply enter Play Store for Android devices or App Store for iOS devices and type the word WMAPP in the search box. Again, WMAPP, and then click on Install. That's all. WMApp is now ready to be used. The user can simply start by entering WMApp, selecting English version, and then clicking on the Start button. Thai and Chinese versions are also available. After clicking on the Start button, 7 main topics will be shown. Let's first take a look at the weather forecasts for Southeast Asia region page. Weather forecasts shown in WMApp are forecasted using high-resolution numerical weather forecasting system for the tropics, developed by Assistant Professor Dr. Chinawat Saraswati. When getting into this page, WMApp will detect the user's location and specify it with a yellow pin, and then will show forecasted precipitation rates for the farthest time in advance that the data are available. The right top corner of the page has a calendar for selecting date and time. Then select a variable to be shown from the menu at the bottom of the page. Time on this page is Thailand time, which is UTC plus 7 hours. Variables from left to right are precipitation rate, temperature, wind speed and direction, the sum of water paths for rainwater, snow and graupel in the atmosphere, relative humidity, and shortwave solar irradiance, respectively. For example, this figure shows forecasted precipitation rates in units of millimeters per hour for October the 7th, 2014 at 9 o'clock. There will be precipitation covering the whole Phuket province, Thailand. Values in the figure can be read by comparing colours with the colour bar at the bottom of the page. For example, grey colour means no rain. Blue colour means very light to light rain. Yellow colour means medium to heavy rain. Red colour means heavy to very heavy rain. Next, the page for weather forecasts for individual divisions of each Southeast Asian country provides hourly weather forecasts for each administrative division of Southeast Asian countries, including Taiwan, Hong Kong and Macau. It is very easy to use. Just select Country, Administrative Division and Date. WMApp will then show hourly forecasts. Time on this page is Thailand time, which is UTC plus 7 hours. For example, this figure shows forecasts for Phuket Province, Thailand on October the 7th, 2014. Read numbers horizontally from left to right. At 1300, Phuket province will have average temperatures of 28.4 degrees Celsius, average relative humidity of 78.42%, average wind speed of 9.44 meters per second, average rain rate of 0.36 millimeters per hour, and rain area of 57.73% of Phuket province. There are 2 pages providing information about precipitation of rain and snow, retrieved from satellite observations. Passive millimeter wave satellites provide very accurate precipitation retrievals, but repeat observations at the same location at low frequency. On the other hand, passive infrared geostationary satellites provide observations at the same location every hour, but provide less precipitation retrieval accuracy. Precipitation retrieved from passive millimeter wave satellite observations are retrieved using the AMP algorithm developed by Assistant Professor Dr. Chinawat Saraswati and Professor David H. Stalin. Precipitation retrievals are very accurate with global coverage and are suitable for water resource management and natural disaster management. When entering this page, the latest data and yellow pin specifying user's location will be shown. The right top corner of the page has calendar for selecting date and satellite icon for selecting satellite. Then select a variable to be shown from the menu at the bottom of the page. Time on this page is UTC. Variables from left to right are precipitation rate, water path for rainwater, water path for snow, and water path for graupel, respectively. Values in the figure can be read by comparing colours with the colour bar shown at the bottom of the page. Precipitation retrieval products from passive infrared geostationary satellites are retrieved using the JPP algorithm developed by Assistant Professor Dr. Chinawat Saraswati and are available every hour. Retrieved precipitation rates are shown in units of millimeters per hour and cover the area from latitudes of 60 degrees south to 60 degrees north. The right top corner of the page has a calendar for selecting date and time. Then select a variable to be shown from the menu at the bottom of the page. Time on this page is Thailand time, which is UTC plus 7 hours. Variables from left to right are precipitation rate and brightness temperature at wavelength of 10.8 micrometers, respectively. Values in the figure can be read by comparing colours with the colour bar shown at the bottom of the page. In the page for global earthquake reports, the calendar at the right top corner of the page can be selected to show earthquake data hourly, daily, or for the past 7 days. Locations of earthquake events are shown with pins, where the user's location is shown with the yellow pin. Details for each earthquake event can be viewed by clicking on the pin. WMApp will show latitude, longitude, date, time, and magnitude of the earthquake. Red pins show earthquakes with magnitude greater than or equal to 5.25, which can cause damage. If the magnitude is above 7, severe damage over a large area will occur. In addition, WMApp has a page showing details about the WMApp's developer and terms and conditions, and a page with a video illustrating how to use WMApp. WMApp is a product developed based on 11 published research papers written by Assistant Professor Dr. Chinawat Saraswati. The research knowledge has also been published in his textbook titled Remote Sensing of Global Precipitation Using Passive Millimeter Wave Satellites and High-Resolution Numerical Weather Forecasting Models for Thailand. The information can also be viewed directly at the website www.worldmeteorology.com.